I'm excited I got the new Poly SQ1 here, and they sent me tons of ink. These are the 5 different kinds of ink I have. Temperature sensitive, glow in the dark, regular, aromatic, and transparent. Awesome. This was bigger than I expected. Dude, check this out. That's pretty awesome. It says Official Rainbow Girl on the pen. Can I get another Poly? I have 2 different pens here. This one is blue light and this one is UV light. There are different ink color options for both pens. As you can see, the UV light is softer than the blue light. I'm gonna try the blue light first. Okay, I want to try a different color of ink. This is what I made with my red ink, and I still have this much ink left in the cartridge. Now I'm going to try out the UV pen. If you want to draw up into the air, you would use the button for ink and light. If you want to draw on a flat surface, I think it's easier to use the ink button, color it in with ink, and then use the light button to dry it. The temperature changing ink is red when it's cold and turns white when it's hot. The Poly SQ1 is a 3D pen that uses cool ink. This means there's no hot parts, so it's safe for children. The ink is made from material naturally extracted from plants, so it's safe to touch. The pen has a child safety feature which turns off the light when you point it up, so that it doesn't get in your eyes. If you want to draw upside down, then you can turn off the child safety switch by using the tool they provided. and pressing this button. Now you can draw upside down. A feature I really like about this pen is that you don't have to plug it in, and it comes with a USB charger. This means you can draw from anywhere. The glow-in-the-dark ink was cool, and I really liked the temperature-changing ink, but the aromatic ink didn't smell very much. The ink is a little bit sticky, but it's not too bad. So I left my creations in the sun for a few minutes, and they're totally dry, not sticky at all. You can just put your stuff in the sun for a few minutes, and then it's smooth. The material is pretty strong too. I was really impressed with how well it can draw straight up and sideways in midair. That was really cool. Overall, I thought this pen was really fun, and I like the way the ink looks. It's really cool. It's like got a transparent look to it. I really like this tree I made. I think it's pretty cool. If you're interested in getting one of these pens, click here. Also, make sure you use my coupon code RAINBOW for a nice discount. Giveaway! This week I'm giving away a new Poly S UV pen, and you get to choose the pen color. To be eligible, subscribe, like this video, share it somewhere, and leave a comment telling me how you shared it and why you want this pen. Make sure you get your parents' permission if you're under 18. The winner will be revealed in the description of next week's video. Check out the description on this video to see more contest details and to check if you won last week's giveaway.